Hey YouTube, let's do Yola. Staying for myself. We're using the capo on the first fret. And the shapes we're using are C, D, E, So that's pretty much the whole structure of the song. We do C, D, E several times, and then when we go into the refrain, we go C, D. This is A sus. We're just playing D and G at the second fret, and we play strings 5 through 1. And then we go to the E. So when you go to the refrain, it becomes a 4-chord sequence. During just the beginning of the verse, it's just the 3 chords. When you get to the refrain, it's... And at the end of the song, they basically just keep doing that. They just basically go to this. And it stays on that A for a while because she sings a lot of lyrics while it's on the A. All right, pretty beginner-friendly song. If you don't have a capo, you can just play it without the capo, but you won't be able to play with the recording, but you can play it without, just by yourself without a capo. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.